Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, acne is the most common skin condition and almost 85% of the people get it at some point in their lives. Acne occurs when the skin pores are clogged by dead skin cells. Excess sebum production or oil in the skin makes it worse by causing pimples, pus, blackheads and whiteheads.
Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties known as terpenes that fights effectively against acne-causing bacteria. In this video, we are going to look at how to use tea tree oil to treat acne and pimples. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of fresh water. Add 2 drops of tea tree oil to this. Mix the contents. Now, with the help of cotton, apply this all over the face or affected area. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash away with fresh water. Do it every day.
The antibacterial properties in the tea tree oil helps in treating acne quickly. Also, try to use a face wash which contains tea tree oil.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.